What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. Today, we're checking out the top 3 best computer vacuum cleaner, featuring powerful, compact, and super efficient cleaning tools for your desk and devices. Let's get started. Number 3 on our list is the Mefelf Computer Vacuum Cleaner. The Mefelf Computer Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile 3-in-1 handheld device designed to simplify cleaning across cars, homes, and offices. Combining vacuuming, blowing, and pumping functions, it tackles dust and debris in tight spaces, on upholstery, and even delicate electronics. Equipped with 5 specialized attachments, the Mefelf vacuum addresses a wide range of cleaning needs. A soft brush for keyboards and camera lenses, a nozzle with brush for sofas and carpets, a suction nozzle for crevices and car interiors, and inflatable nozzles for balloons, swim rings, or vacuum sealing storage bags. Powered by a 2,000 mAh battery, the vacuum generates 6,500 PA of suction, offering strong performance in a compact portable design. It fully charges in just 2 hours via a USB-C 5V 2-amp adapter and can run 16 to 20 minutes per charge, providing enough power to clean small crumbs, office desks, or car interiors efficiently. Its HEPA filter is washable and reusable, allowing for easy maintenance, while a transparent dust cup helps users monitor when it needs emptying. The vacuum's lightweight and ergonomic build makes it convenient for one-handed operation, whether cleaning car seats, sliding door tracks, keyboards, or carpets. It comes with a storage bag to keep all attachments organized and ready for use, making it an adaptable solution for daily cleaning tasks. Compact and portable, the Mefelf vacuum ensures a clean environment without occupying much space, seamlessly combining practicality and efficiency in a single device. This multifunctional tool meets diverse cleaning needs while remaining easy to carry and store, making it a practical addition to any home, office, or vehicle setup. Number 2 is the Hayousui Computer Vacuum Cleaner. The Hayousui Computer Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and versatile cleaning device designed for quick and efficient tidying of small spaces. With a strong suction power of up to 4.3 kPa, it effortlessly picks up paper scraps, dust, ash, food residues, and pet hair, making it ideal for home and office environments where precision cleaning is needed. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, allowing users to reach areas that are difficult to access with larger vacuum cleaners. Equipped with a 2-in-1 nozzle, this handheld vacuum adapts to different surfaces. The head brush is perfect for cleaning rough textures like keyboards and car dashboards, while the flat nozzle slides into narrow crevices and corners. 3 vacuum modes provide flexibility, making it simple to tackle everything from flat surfaces to intricate corners. Maintaining the Hayousui vacuum is straightforward. The reusable HEPA filter captures 99.6% of dust particles and can be washed to remove debris and odors. Regular cleaning of the filter, especially when the visual dust cup is full, ensures consistent performance. For prolonged filter life, a small keyboard cleaning brush is recommended. Powered by 2 built-in rechargeable batteries, the vacuum operates continuously for 15 to 20 minutes after a 3 to 4 hour charge. An integrated LED light illuminates darker areas, helping users navigate tight or dimly lit spaces effectively. With its combination of portability, strong suction, and smart design, the Hayousui Computer Vacuum Cleaner offers a practical solution for maintaining clean and dust-free workspaces and living areas. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Meudeen Computer Vacuum Cleaner. The Meudeen Computer Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile 3-in-1 device designed to handle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. Combining a mini vacuum, an air duster, and an air blower, it offers flexible functionality for both home and office use. One end of the device connects to a nozzle for vacuuming, while the other end can be used as a powerful blower or air pump to airtight pack storage bags. This multifunctional design makes it an ideal tool for maintaining electronics, workspaces, or even travel gear. Equipped with multiple accessories, the Meudeen cleaner adapts to different cleaning scenarios. Its various attachments allow it to efficiently clean keyboards, car interiors, camera lenses, and other hard-to-reach areas. With at least 6 possible configurations, the device ensures that even tight crevices or delicate equipment surfaces can be cleaned thoroughly. Powered by 2 built-in 2000 mAh lithium batteries, the vacuum offers long-lasting performance and reliability. The batteries, which have passed 500 charging cycle tests, take only 3 to 4 hours to reach full charge. Once charged, the vacuum delivers strong suction and blowing power, making it ready for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Despite its compact size, 6.4 inches in length, 2.5 inches in diameter, and weighing just 0.83 pounds, the device houses a 120-watt motor capable of 5.3 kPa cyclone suction at 35,000 RPM. This powerful performance ensures that dust, crumbs, and debris are removed quickly and efficiently, even from challenging surfaces. The Meudeen computer vacuum cleaner also includes a reusable and washable filter that meets high-efficiency particulate air standards. Its dust container design allows for easy cleaning and maintenance, and regularly washing the filter helps maintain peak suction and blowing performance. This combination of portability, strength, and versatility makes the Meudeen vacuum a practical choice for anyone seeking a compact yet effective cleaning solution. That was an awesome lineup of compact cleaning power. Make sure to check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more great tech picks.